So let's say we had the same circle that we were looking at earlier. And if we wanted to find the radius here from A to B, we could use our Pythagorean theorem. I could create a little triangle right here that is a right triangle. And I would say a squared plus b squared equals c squared. To get this A distance, all I would have to do is count, right? And all that is going to be is the x distance from 0. So I'm going to go put that A is going to be x. And then if I wanted to get this B distance here, I'm counting up from 0. And so that is going to end up just being our Y distance. And then this C here is just the distance from the center to the edge of the circle, which just a little bit ago we defined as our radius. So that means if A is just X, I can replace the A up here with X down here. And if this B distance is just Y, I can replace B with Y. And if the C distance is just the radius, I can replace it with R. So I would say X squared plus Y squared equals R squared. This radius is 5. So I could do A squared plus B squared equals C squared to get 5. But earlier we talked about defining a radius as any distance from the center to the edge of the circle. So if I just go to the center right here and I went like straight down, I could just count that and I would get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I could do that going down. I could do that from we're going to the left, right? Like no matter where I put it, I can do it. It's going to be easiest to count it if it's straight up and down or left and right. But that's where this 5 is coming from right here. So then I could replace the r with a 5 because I know that radius is 5. So I would write x squared plus y squared equals 5 squared would be the equation of that red circle. Sometimes people are like, well, why write 5 squared? I know that's 25, right? It's just 5 times 5. So you could write the equation as x squared plus y squared equals 25.